Hi everybody, this is Dr. Bev Knox from BevKnox.com. I am here today to tell you about a story. This young lady, all of 54 years old, emailed me and was talking to me about some issues that was going on with her, and I asked her to go ahead and allow me to talk about her on air, and she said, yeah, go ahead, but of course I'm not using her name. So anyway, she's 54 years old and has been divorced for about 2 years now. Her children are grown and she is just getting back in the game. Yeah, she's just getting back in the game. She's starting to date again, and she was having a hard time. She was having a hard time with it all, what to wear, the whole 9 yards. Anyway, I had her take my boot camp for dating and relationships, and she did so fabulously. We talked about coaching and doing a whole lot of different techniques while she's dating, and let me tell you now, this hottie is a cougar, okay? This hottie is dating a younger man, all of 44 years old, and I am just so proud of her. I am so happy for her, and I just wanted to give her a shout out here. Congratulations on your journey, okay? This is Dr. Bev Knox from BevKnox.com.